megalayapost.news.
Katnat Wildlife Riboy District Mentakasngi kilas dang berpukhoyno yakamet jong hati ubalayap nen kasngi nakadaw kajing suba wasyabat haka boarding elektrik kabaklan kabalaja nen kasngi haka shnong khatsau mer tamul kushi Riboy District haka nen kasngi balayo penpukhoyno yote uhati ubalayap laidon lang do Dr. Duan Ki rengat Assistant Professor ka Saint Edmund College Long harangkat kaji don lang ro UDFO ka Wildlife usachin gawade bat uba lining walang RFO badi pej yaka Riboy District nakaliang Katnat Wildlife hadin bala pendep yaka postmortem kilala on pukhoyno yaka met jong tiu hati daga bachutang no ekamet badru daga bati ekatliu bat satang habala leru kat kumki kondon joka Wildlife Protection Act kumban perkenmau yakamet une hati lalap di pajba nong song katamul kusi bernihat nen kasngi bat lapen tibru syakatna Wildlife kibalawan bentokit bamda kasngi kilatang no ekamet jong ne hati
haban ai gajing kuble ya urang ba shunang bos ke tri shunang jong ka khat lai mer tamul kusi ki di rang ba jong ki kila ai ka jing betip shengi haga ba de bat ka jing lap jong ki riun nong song shunang nak ni ka jaka yo tau hati ba ya pa ni ka jaka di kiledon lang bat ngi hi adu menen kil sewan sa shpang long pasung ai jing kuble ki kuni ko ya uni hati lalap ka shunang riun jong song shunang bat kila suba bo syabat hakala mo elektrik te nakaliang jungi marmar masintip ngile poy shi ka jaka ngilai persyang ban nadu menimir ngia sa sini baru simit ban ap mo ba kanam don keno alor ba hati ula yap te kumbalong isa mentan ba idon kam ban penting kenapa ni hati ngin hap thang kum karul te yak bang lale menta te nakaliang ki doktor mani kilewan kile pelut kapor ba kodor jongki bat adu menta ki bat ai ka report jongki hari kile shetho engi ba kadeh na kijing sabat lai nomor bun sien hakajing sung thu mo yong badangim thang sumudur ngiatep yuni hati sumudur isim kanuksa dia ba atep don gibreu ki baniati kini od ya gibinyet ki od kini kita kata kalong be an de ban laj na kita gi karul permi di ban thang ba khnang ba kanong de pelut baro.
Yesterday we come to know about this incident. This is basically death of elephant due to electrocution. This electrocution happened due to low sagging 33 kV electric line. Now this is unfortunate incident that it has happened unnatural death of one wild elephant. Just to take this remedial measures, we already instructed the MECL to check out such points where the elephants may cross. Will do in coordination with the MECL one survey, and we'll try to rectify these errors or the areas where the these voltage lines are low hanging, especially 33 kV. Now, after this incident, we come to know, as per procedure, we have to dispose of carcass under Wildlife Protection Act. There are disposal of wildlife article rules 2023. As per that, committee has already been made. Then we all members were present, and then in their presence only, this carcass is burned. Now, this actually veterinary department has done a post-mortem report. They have not given their official report. Still, prima facie, what they revealed to us is that this is death due to electrocution. This is unnatural death, and they will submit report through their competent authority to us maybe tomorrow. So with that will be a kind of evidence or report for us. So as per procedure, now we are just disposing of carcass through incineration. So there should not be any stealing of wildlife article such as its tusk and some other parts of the body. So we'll dispose of carcass as per that procedure. This area is not that much inhabited by wild elephants. This elephant, there is a group of 3 wild elephants. It was roaming till Umling. They came down. But since this is national highway is very nearby, we did not expect that they will come to this area. To avoid this such incidents, we need to work in coordination with MECL, especially MEPDCL, who do the transmission, this power distribution lines. So for that, there is a mechanism to do this joint verification. This is kind of one of the learning for us, and we'll take it that it should not happen after this. That we will do joint efforts with the MEPDCL to rectify such lacunas. No hanging, especially 33 kg. Now,
Sure, ba babu long ba nang apoy ka ding na to ka problem dah.
Kelang tu boleh. Kelang tu boleh.
Ha? Lima.
Dalam dah boleh pum selesai pro. Trading. Langsung pok dah.
Megalayapost.news.